Did you know that advanced microscopes are changing the game for female hair transplants? These precision tools are enhancing the quality of hair grafts and improving survival rates during procedures. With the ability to meticulously isolate each hair follicle, specialists can minimize damage, leading to better hair density and more natural-looking results. This attention to detail is crucial for achieving a seamless blend with existing hair. Moreover, advanced microscopes allow surgeons to assess the angle and depth of each follicle, ensuring optimal placement for healthy growth patterns. As more women seek effective solutions for hair loss, choosing a clinic that utilizes these innovative techniques is essential for success. Understanding the role of advanced microscopy can empower your hair restoration journey, providing peace of mind and renewed confidence. Learn more at healthnode.com.